Hi guys, welcome to this video about the email which a lot of people got about that the support for the Google Photos desktop uploader ends soon. This is a big disappointment for me. It says the desktop uploader Google Photos backup will no longer be supported after May 12, 2018. After this date, you won't be able to backup photos and videos using the uploader. To continue backing up photos from your computer, we recommend that you use the new backup and sync application from Google. It's a fast and easier way to back up. Yeah, and then you can download this and yeah, okay, so this is my consideration at the moment. I have not done the change yet. This is just I've done a little bit of research and investigation, and I have been trying to download, and for the first thing I noticed when I clicked on that I downloaded this software already, and I thought, what's going on with that? How can it be that I already downloaded this software? What kind of software is it? And I did some research, and I found out then that this is the normal Google Drive sync software which you have, like here. If you go to the sys tray, like here I have the Google Photos uploader, which is the thing which they are talking about. It's now post, so usually it has a color thing, and now it's grayed out when it's post. And I now have opened the settings, and I have also here I have this backup and sync from Google. Yes, it's updated 1 hour ago. So you can click on, once again, go a little bit down. You can click on this icon and open settings. You can also go here to this icon and click on settings, and yeah, here we are. I'm already at, I have both things opened. On the left side I have the Google Drive settings open, and on the right side I have the Google Photo Uploader settings open. And the thing is, they don't, as you can see, when you click on my laptop, here are the Google Drive settings. Here, when you click on my laptop, you will find the Google Photo settings. You see my laptop, and here you have the Google Photo settings. So you can choose the folder, also additional folders. The folder which you have here on the Google Photo Uploader, you have to manually put in these folders. These are not automatically done. These things are also, there's no option like to import from Google backup, like a desktop uploader. It's a little bit a disappointment. So I think they want to get rid of a lot of uploads. So I have here a lot of things, all screenshots and other things, temporary. I mean, before I do my photos on the NOS, I have it on a temporary file, and then they are already uploaded to Google Photos and secured. And I have other things, like even Bandicam, and they know. So if you do the switch from here to here, a lot of people will probably forget about these files, these folders, and will just activate. So they will just activate here, click on that, and then it's yeah, everything new will be uploaded, but they forget about the old folders, and so Google can save some space. And I've also found that you can't choose here, you can't choose folders which are on Google Drive. I think with the old one it was possible, at least I have managed it somehow. At least I was able to manage here to I mean, yeah, when it doesn't work, you probably have still the option to create a virtual drive, like so you get a drive letter for a specific folder, and then you maybe can still add this folder. I'm not 100% sure, I haven't tried, but it looks like they want to get rid of a lot of uploads so they can save some space. And the worst thing, this is the most important thing now, the worst thing, the default, when you upload it, the default is you have two options, like high quality, free unlimited storage, and original quality, and means full resolution that counts against your quote. So that means when you leave it on default, everything will be uploaded in original quality, and you will very soon run out of space, and you have to apply then I mean you have to buy additional space from Google, which costs you every month a couple of dollars. The cheapest option is about, I think, 100 gigabytes and costs you about $3 or $4 a month, something like this. It's not extremely expensive, but think about how many users are Google customers, and they will make probably billions out of only about of this switch from the uploader to the Google Drive sync, because people forget about this option, to change this option, and they will have to buy storage from Google. It's yeah, it's a continuation about Google trying to restrict things and make you let you make yeah, my English is not so good, I'm sorry. So but they want to make you pay more or start paying. Until now most of the things were free from Google, like yeah, 99% of all the things were free which Google provided, and now they are trying to push people into some kind of paid programs. They have to pay for extra stuff, and it's not a good thing, I think. I mean, Google, they know they are number one, at least at the moment, but it could change. I mean, they can never be sure. There will be alternate solutions, and they have to be really careful. I mean, during the last couple of months and years, I have seen so many things like this, and it makes me tired. I'm sorry I have to tell this again. I mean, as a YouTuber, I was demonetized 2 months ago. I got not a lot of money, and in a sudden they changed their small prints, I mean their rules, and said, hey, yeah, if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, we are not paying you any money for your videos anymore. So what? I mean, a lot of people are relying on that money. It's not a lot, but it's money. It's still I mean, especially if you live in maybe a third world country, I mean, you can make maybe $200, $300, $400 without having 1,000 subscribers, and you can make a living maybe in Africa or somewhere else, and Google says, oh, yeah, no, actually we don't want to pay you any more this money. We want to keep it and make more profit. And I think this is not a good thing. So usually I've had other words. I don't tell these words on Google Video, but yeah, I'm not really happy about this. I hope Google will make a change and will go back to these more honest things, and will be a reliable partner again as it was always. So I was always a big fan of Google, YouTube and everything, but in the last couple of months and years it has a little bit changed. So I hope it will go back. I think it has to a lot of things have to do with the new CEO of Google. I don't tell anything more about this. Look at the guy, look at the picture, you will know. So yeah, anyway, I haven't done this, so you have to do this. I would leave it. You have to activate this, and you can also upload from USB drives and SD cards. But I will do this and will let you know how it turned out, how it worked. So, but this is I wanted to tell you this is really important to do, and to change the quality so you are not falling into this trap. So when you have added all these folders and from the old uploader here, from this thing, Google photo backup to the Google Drive backup and thing, yeah, if you when you have updated all the folders and changed all settings as you use it, so from then on it looks like you just only need this Google Drive uploader, and you can uninstall the old Google Photos backup. I mean, of course, for a certain time you can just leave it deactivated. It's always a good thing before you uninstall everything, so you can, like here, you have the option to resume or to pause it. At the moment it's paused with my thing anyway. So, and hope it helps you a little bit. So stay tuned, I'll do this second video. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that video. If you have any comments or questions, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.